Hey, and welcome back to the vlog, everybody. It's your friendly Lee. And today,
Not very friendly.
I would like to tell you why it's taken 3 weeks to do the reno in the bathroom that my wife did, that you're presently watching. I know why now. I know why it took 3 weeks. Because when the words come out of your wife's mouth, we have a leak. And I say to her, I'll shut the water off. Or do you need me to shut the water off? And she says, no, it's fine. Bear in mind, no, it fines means, hey, your workload just tripled and we're going to charge you $500 just for shits and giggles.
You mean I get to charge you for this?
So, let me explain to you how this happened. Our beautiful sister gave us a new faucet, which I was very excited about. Figured it should be a simple fix. Since my wife's been doing plumbing for 3 weeks, it shouldn't be a big deal. Oh, was I ever wrong. So, get these installed, and wouldn't you know it, one of them's leaking. And my wife says, don't turn off the water, it's fine, I've got this. And in the process of fixing hers, she somehow manages to knock one of the other valves off, thus flooding the entire kitchen and part of the dining room. Now you're saying to yourself, well, wow, that's really shitty. No, it gets worse, because do you know what flooded? Our flooring we put down. Yeah. No, wait, let me show you. Ma'am, over here, you with the camera.
This vlog is brought to you by Lee because she's the one not working while her wife is working.
I feel like I get a break right now because, first and foremost, I'm not the one that flooded the entire house. I'm not the one that has to replace all the flooring in the house now, because I've already done that once. You watched me do it. I feel like I deserve a little bit of a break.
You had 3 weeks.
Because I'm the one that had to run out and shut the water off. I'm the one that had to run and get towels. I'm the one that had to get the shop vac. I'm the one that's ripping the floor up. While Peanut Gallery over here, that would be said Peanut Gallery right down here in the bottom.
Do you ever think it's odd that all the work is actually performed by me?
No, because you create all the problems that require all the additional work.
Right.
What should have been a simple install of a new faucet, and it would have been had somebody said, hey, we should probably cut the water off.
Here's the thing. As with every project that happens in this house, Lee decides she's going to start them. She can't finish them. And she walks away leaving me to do it. Because my recollection says that I didn't start this project. My wife did.
Okay.
And now, look who's got to finish it. This is how it always goes, guys. Don't get married. This is what happens.
Let's evaluate things, ladies and gentlemen. Let's evaluate this. So I went away for 3 weeks. 3 weeks. You're watching the video. We had 2 videos related nothing but to the toilet. I didn't start that. I didn't screw that up multiple times. So why would you ever think that I am the common denominator? When clearly, no, we don't need to turn the water off, is. Did I mention $300 worth of flooring right there?
$260 by my calculation.
$260, not including tax, and that's assuming that 4 boxes will cover what we've had to rip up.
Does this mean we can redo the entryway that you decided didn't need to be done because you were lazy and didn't want to do it?
No, I didn't redo the entry because I
that's
wasn't
right.
taking the tile up.
Exactly what I said.
No, not even close. Not even close. And I'm still not taking that fucking towel up. Just so you know, I'm still not doing that towel. There is nothing wrong with having a tiled entryway. Nothing wrong with it at all. I don't care that it doesn't transition as beautifully as she thinks it should.
I think I'm ready for you to turn the water on.
I think it looks amazing.
I think I'm ready for you to turn the water on.
Oh, really? You're ready for me to turn the water on?
I think so.
Gee, I'm a little scared too. There's still $300 worth of flooring still left that you haven't soaked.
The day is young, ma'am.
That's the
There's
problem.
Plenty of time for me to ruin some more.
That's what I'm worried about.
So the question is, I think. Wait, we'll leave the camera. With
No,
you.
I don't think we should leave the camera with you.
We've got more rice. My phone will be fine.
Oh, that's right. I completely forgot about that. Looky here, folks. Looky whose phone is soaking in rice. If it doesn't come back to life, I don't know what to tell her. We can't afford to get her a new one right now. We've got to spend $300 in flooring. Common denominator right there, folks.
You go turn the water on. We'll see how this works. You just wanted to see more of me. This is what happens in the house. One small thing turns into a big thing. And you know, when I got up this morning, I really just didn't feel like doing this. I really didn't. I did not feel like doing it. This is the day after the bike incident. Oh, she's gonna turn it on. And she's not calling me. So how's she gonna know that she's gotta turn it off? Let's hope it doesn't leak. I really didn't think about that. I'm hoping it's on now and there's no leak. Literally, I'm telling you right now, there's no water shut off in this house. It's out by the road. Happily, I don't see any leaks. I don't see any leaks, but I got thinking when you're out there, how would you know if it leaked?
Because everything's waterlogged.
No, I mean, how would you know if it leaked?
How would I know?
Yeah.
I wouldn't have.
Yeah, I know.
I just had to wait until I come back in or heard you screaming bloody murder.
Alright, I don't see any leaks. I don't feel any leaks. Everything that's wet down here is wet from, you know, the siege. So like I
700 dog towels later.
She said a day ago, I'm running out of content for the vlog. I said, child's play.
I believe what she heard was challenge accepted. Let's do some plumbing because I've already proven I can fuck that up. That's what I think she heard.
Oh Lord. So should I turn the water on these valves now and see what happens?
Sure, I've got the camera rolling.
The water doesn't leak at the inside, so.
Which reminds me, they had these El Cheapo, Uber El Cheapo stops. This one's still there because that runs to the dishwasher. But I mean, like, the stupidest, cheapest little things. So we installed, as you can see in the back, new ones that actually function like they should instead of these cheap things.
Okay, I don't see any leaks.
Well, let's see if the faucet actually works or if that's one other problem we have to fix now.
I didn't guarantee that would work, man.
Yeah. Look at the floor, folks. Just look at the floor.
Oh Lord, you gonna test the faucet?
Well, I need you first to get out of the way.
I want to sit here and see if it leaks, so can you get around me?
Oh, can I get around you? Can I get around you sitting right in front of the faucet? Can I get around the dog towels that are all in the sink? Oh, that's sopping.
Yes, looks good.
There.
And that, folks, is how you install a new faucet. Come back next week when we'll be repairing the floor.
Give me that damn camera. Stay tuned next week when you'll see my wife replacing the floor. Because this chick's done did the entire freaking house.
Not the bathroom. Or the master closet. Oh, we don't remember that. My bad, sorry.
You really want to talk about the bathroom and the master closet? I spent how many days trying to get the toilet in?
Does your shitter work?
I'm not quite sure.
Because I installed it. Ah! All right, kids, we have to clean up now. Can you help me up?
Oh, I'm gonna help her up, all right, folks.
I need you to actually go in the direction I'm trying to get up in. Not off to the side, that'd be great. Thanks. I appreciate.
Wait, I wasn't ready. I'm not ready.
Whew. All right.
So you're gonna carry all that out to the road, right?
Yeah, most of it.
Good, because I don't really want to carry it.
We'll do about next week.
Yeah, it's fun. We'll walk around it for a week. Gypsy, I love tarting that around the house. We're gonna sign off on this video because this is the house where your wife creates work for you. I'm gonna have to go get a full-time job to pay for the plumbing issues that she keeps creating. We thank you for watching. If you don't see my wife in any future videos, don't be alarmed. Just keep watching, like, subscribe, and don't ask questions. Toodles! Okay guys, just wanted to give you an update to this video. It was quite a bit more challenging than we realized. We ended up having to take out the stove and most of the way back to the laundry room. As you can see, the laundry room doors are off because we had to pull the washer and dryer out. And then this actually ran quite a bit further than you saw in the video here. We ended up having to take back to well past this chair right here that you're seeing to get that all the way from the floor to the wall. But as you can see, it is back in now. I do still have to put the trim in. I did help her at just the very end with a few pieces, but not that much if we're being honest. She did most of it herself. She is amazing. We also had Uncle Bob come over 2 days, and he actually helped us lay quite a bit of flooring also. So big shout out to you, Uncle Bob. We appreciate and love you. I'm glad the flooring's back down now. The disaster zone that the house was for quite a while was overwhelming. And like my wife said, this was coming off of the bathroom for her. So it was definitely an ordeal. I will say our new faucet sink works amazing. There's some dishes in the sink. Don't look at those. But our new sink does work absolutely amazing. We love it completely. It sprays, it comes down, sprays out the sink. I mean, it does it all. We love it. It works beautifully. Thankfully, there's no more leaks. We are very, very happy. Very, very happy that it's done. So, as always, we love you. We thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, toodles times 2.